Ashan's dad here from OG Creations. I know, it's been a couple of months. Without being too dramatic, my world pretty much imploded in December, and it's taken me a while to find my way back into some light. I'm still not 100%, fuck, I wouldn't even say I'm 50%. But with time, I can think of all the great memories again without breaking down. So for my next few videos, I'm going to use all the content that I had created before. In this first one, I'm going to test a new ice dye color from Dharma Trading.
Because here, size does matter.
Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I'm starting with an ivory, 100% cotton men's crew neck sweater purchased from Amazon. Now this has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until it was practically dry. I lay it flat on my work surface and then fold it in half, matching up all the seams. Starting at the shoulder seam, I begin twisting the fabric. I create my decline by lifting one end of my dye rack. I line the rack with foil to make sure the surface is pretty smooth for all the runoff. I also create side barriers using foil to hold all the ice in place. I add a thick layer of ice on top of the sweater. I apply my dry dye powders on top of the ice. The color I'm using is Alchemist, one of the new colors specifically formulated for ice dye splits. Since this is a sweater, I apply quite a bit of the dye powder to ensure that the particles can make it through all of the material. A layer of soda ash is added. Once the ice is melted, I set it aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed and placed into inventory, I've added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Now seriously, I have to say that this is one of my most favorite pieces I think I've made to date. The colors are awesome, and the pattern is straight from Rorschach. See you next time.